Hi and welcome to WodBoard. This video is a quick getting started guide. We'll start with our dashboard. The dashboard is a compilation of reports that come in and give you a snapshot overview of your business health. This will populate in the coming weeks and months as you go along. If you would like to see further reporting, you do have an entire section down here in your menu under reports. The next thing we're going to look at is your timetable. This is where everything starts. We'll go ahead and click into here. And the first thing we need to do is create a class. Let's click on classes. New class type. We're going to name our class. Let's do a yoga class. Drop-in price, I'm going to charge £20 for my drop-in. This is optional. You can put in a description of your class. Class visibility, if you have this on public, all of your members can see this on their end. If it is hidden, they can see it through a filter option. And if you have this on private, only you can view this. Your bookings by default open at 7 days ahead of your class starting. This can be changed in your settings under event options. If you wish to override this individually as a class, you can populate that here. Attendance recording. If you have this clicked on, if they sign into the class, no matter if they show up or not, it will record them as attended. This will change your reporting. If you have this off, you will need to manually sign them in or allow your GPS tool to sign them in for you. There are articles detailed on this. You're going to choose a color. Let's go with purple and save. Your class type was successfully created. Now we're going to put the class in the timetable. Go back to your timetable and we are going to add a new class. Class type is going to be yoga. We have space selection. You can add more spaces in under your business settings. We're going to go with our main studio, coach, class size 8, and we will allow trials and we will allow drop-ins. I would like to make this a reoccurring class every Tuesday and Thursday, starting from next week. My start time will be 1:30 to 2:30. I'm going to save this. My group class has been successfully created. I can now view this next week in my timetable and see that my yoga classes are in. The next thing you want to do is set up a membership or a pass for this. There are articles and video guides set up within this article in great detail on the membership plans and passes. There's also a discount section that you can create discounts for and apply them to members. Your plans, when you create a new plan, you'll have a choice of ongoing or fixed length, and then different parameters around your payments. You will also see categories, auto purchase if they are moving from an intro pack onto a regular membership, and then their term periods. You can assign legal documents to this and then choose whether it is hidden in the app or members can auto purchase this on their end. Your usage limits. This will allow so many classes. If I have this set up for 6 yoga classes per month, save, and that is your parameters set for the use. If you do not set this up, they have unlimited access to all of your classes. If you wish to set up a membership pass, just head to passes, create your new pass, and you can go from there. Back to the timetable. You will also see services and workshops and events. Services are for things like fundamentals, PTs, no sweat intros, nutrition, and all of the above. You can create a new service by clicking this button and filling everything in. There's a detailed article included in this one on setting up a service. From there, let's head down to programming if this is an option on your software. For programming, we're going to click New Program. We're going to go to our yoga class and we're going to schedule the date in for next Tuesday. From here, we're going to start with a warm-up and we're going to put in our warm-up. From there, we're going to add in custom, and you can create different things within your components, movements, instructions, and workouts. If you wish to add a workout, You can create a custom or a named. You put your instruction, and you can put your scoring method of time. Your RX or RX plus buttons are optional as well. Programming notes, these are notes that your members will see. They allow the members a little bit more insight into the workout. The coach notes are for the coaches only. This might direct them on the layout of the class, etc. You're going to go ahead and save that. And now you can see that is populated your programming timetable, and you can program as far in advance as you wish. You can also set the programming within your event options to see how far in advance it releases and when your customers are able to view it. Next, you want to set up some staff members. You should be in there already. If you have another staff member, you can click Add. If they're a new staff member, type their name in here. If you have sign in for the gym screen, or you have programming on a gym screen, you will want to create a gym user. This allows just the surface of the app to be shown to your members and no customer details to come up. You're going to save these details. For their permissions, there is a detailed article attached to this one on what their permissions mean and what allows them access within the app. That is all for getting started. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to our support team. Thanks.